Hello, this is Mr. Golias and our team challenge. You're going to click the magnifying glass. I'm going to type TH, which gives me to this PC. Now I have access to my account. You'll do your ID number. I'm going to just pick a white space. Now you'll notice mine is I have tons of stuff. Yours won't have as much stuff. I'm going to right click and click New and Folder. And the first one needs to be, we'll call it 8 comp apps, and then I can click on this and now I'm inside the folder. I'm going to make 3 new ones. So the first one, same way, right click, folder, we're going to call this one audio. Right click, new, folder, graphic design. And the last folder that you need to do, same thing, folder, and we'll call this one video. And just like that, you're done. You can go ahead and make all 4 folders, the 8 comp apps, audio, graphic design, video. Good luck.